Here's a comparison between Kling AI and Runway, which are the top platforms for AI generation content creation. Now, with Kling AI, it's going to excel in generating high quality cinematic videos with precise control over elements such as camera angle and motion. You have motion brush and lip sync features that allow for detailed animations and character expressions. This is best for people who are looking to create storytelling content and character driven animations and projects requiring detailed scene composition. Now, with Runway AI, it's going to offer rapid video generation, which makes it ideal for quick content creation, and it provides a range of AI tools for video editing, background removal, and style transfers. So you want to use Runway if you are a social media content creator, marketer, or users needing a quick turnaround time for video projects. Now, we do want to consider the prices. If we go into Runway's pricing, it's going to cost you at least $12 per month, which is going to be significantly higher than Kling AI, which is actually going to have a pricing structure of about $7 per month. But of course, they both offer free plans, so you can always try out which one you like better before committing.